GMT for the most part rose 42.29% in 7 days. Or so they certainly thought. Bull controlled GMT's essentially current cost activities in a fundamentally large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in every practical sense is floating at $688,912,110, which generally is genuinely huge. Current STEPN cost in a real sense is $0.62. 26 June 2023. In this video, we will walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is essentially transient cost expectation for STEPN? Especially is GMT a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, showing how GMT especially rose 42.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, really let us basically discuss the extremely current economic situations, which sort of is very huge. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which most certainly is very huge. The essentially absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $32,396,217,087, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally thought, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span. By and large further appearance, how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 1.1 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. Fundamentally further appearance how GMT sort of rose 42.29% in 7 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. These occasions sort of show that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending course for present moment. So current STEPN cost fundamentally is $0.62. 26 June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some things, facts. What most certainly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for STEPN, sort of is GMT, a truly wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Right now, a genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they certainly thought. Support especially is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become substantially more most certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially further appearance. How right now, a fundamentally broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants really become move kind of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in every way that really matters, is at 62 cents. up 4.63% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 42.29% throughout the week in a quite huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 688,912,110.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 United States dollars. Incredibly, there explicitly are just about 600 million explicitly are available for use out of 6 billion. So XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere around 1.1 and presently exchanging at 49 cents. Further appearance how GMT basically rose 42.29% in 7 days in a really significant manner. STEPN value examination GMT cost investigation for 26 June 2023, inside a very everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath, certainly further appearance. How these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending bearing for present moment. So current STEPN cost for the most part is $0.62 26 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through STEPN cost investigation for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for STEPN? Especially is GMT an excellent venture? Or so they sort of thought. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the STEPN. So market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which basically is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 37, so the exceptionally relative strength list RSI shows that the GMT coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI is at 37, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, while GMT's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the GMT